800.
Yes.
800 for single.
Single room.
So double room.
Double size and separate room.
Normal
Two beds.
2 beds lah. Aircon?
Sorry.
Aircon?
Air condition.
You got online booking?
No.
No, if want to make how to make room booking,
You can call.
call name card, then telephone, then give credit card. Give credit card.
No.
No, only cash. Okay, if I am a Dorje Shugden practitioner, can stay here? Cannot stay here. Why?
As a rule of the monasteries, they are not allowed to stay.
So this guest house owned by monastery.
Yes.
Other guest house around?
This main area.
So that one I can stay. If
Yes.
I practice Dorje Shugden, I can stay. Potala house?
Utala, yes, you can house, yes.
You can ask.
Okay, so but here Dorje Shugden practitioner cannot stay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
52 points with that victory before Lorenzo, training by 66.